Okay, here is a quick update on my potatoes. This is true potato seed, so planting potatoes from seeds instead of from sprouted potatoes. This is 25 days after planting. And there you go. They're looking pretty good, I think. There. Yeah, so anyway, that's true potato seed, 25 days after planting. And this was also part of my eclipse planting project. So you can check that video out as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time. You know, liking and subscribing really helps a small channel, so thank you so much.